Welcome guys to your YouTube channel Numeric Galaxy. We are going to discuss a sum from the GST chapter of ICSE Standard 10. And the question here is, a shopkeeper buys a printer at a discount of 30% on the mark price of 8,000. He sells the printer to the customer at mark price. GST charge at each stage is 18%. If the sales are interstate, fine. First, GST paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. The price paid by the shopkeeper for the article inclusive of tax, and the cost of the customer inclusive of tax, and fourth is the amount of tax received by state government. You recap the question again. A shopkeeper buys a printer at a discount of 30% on the mark price of 8,000. He sells the printer to the customer at mark price. GST charged at each stage is 18%. If the sales are interstate, fine. The GST paid by the shopkeeper to the central government, and the price paid by the shopkeeper for the article inclusive of tax, and the third, the cost of customer inclusive of tax, and fourth is the amount of tax received by the state government. Now come to the solution. Here, cost paid by the shopkeeper with 30% discount is equal to 70% of the MP, and MP is given 8,000. So 70% of 8,000, it will be 70 by 100 into 8,000, it will be rupees 5,600. Next, SP charged by shopkeeper is rupees 8,000, and profit for the shopkeeper, SP he charged 8,000, and but actually he purchased it for 5,600. So the profit is rupees 8,000 minus 5,600, that is 2,400. So CGST deposited by the shopkeeper is equal to 9% of the profit. So 9%, 9 by 100 into 2,400, it is rupees 216. Second part asked was, what was the price paid by the shopkeeper? So shopkeeper paid the cost and the tax. He paid 5,600 and 18% of 5,600, and that is 5,600 plus 18 by 100 into 5,600, that is 1,008. So the price paid by the shopkeeper is rupees 6,608. Third part was price paid by the customer. So how much customer paid? It will be calculated by the printed price plus 18% of tax. Printed price was 8,000 and 18% of 8,000, it is 8,000 plus 1,240. It will be 9,240. So this was the price. 9,240 was the price paid by the customer. Now next, amount of tax. The fourth was the amount of tax received by the state government. So it will be 9% of the sale price. It will be 9 by 100 into 8,000, that is 0 will be cancelled. 9 is rupees 720. These are the solutions. In this way you can understand well the complicated concept of GST. I hope you would have understood well. Thank you.